I'm Liz Cortez with Business Trends TV, and today I am joined by Dr. Arthur Benjamin from Benjamin Eye Institute. He practices in Los Angeles, and he's board certified. He's an ophthalmologist, and he focuses on LASIK, vision correction, PRK, and cataracts. Hi, Dr. Benjamin.
Hi, Liz. How you doing? Thanks for having me here.
Great. Thank you so much. I am glad to have you on here, and I know that the viewers that are watching this right now, they are excited to learn what advice do you have, for them when they're going online, they're Googling LASIK surgery. How do they choose the best LASIK surgeon when there's so many that are online?
Right. Through the wonder of internet, really everything has become very transparent, so that you really don't have to have any special skills or tools to do your own research and find the best doctor for the best procedure that you need. Of course, the most important thing, if we're going to be results oriented, is the doctor's reputation, right? So wherever you are, when you put in whether you want to take care of laser vision correction, or you're interested in cataract surgery for your grandpa or for a parent or for yourself, the best thing to do is to be results oriented, right? And what's the best thing? It's the doctor's reputation. That's the thing that's hardest to earn and persist the longest. So I advise your viewers to really, no matter what you research, check with the reputation sites such as Yelp, such as Google+, such as various health review sites that really evaluate the feedback from patients, and it's very, very important. Other factors, of course, are the doctor's education, right? You really want a doctor who went through all the competitive hurdles of getting into great medical school, excellent residency. You want someone who's experienced. You don't want someone who's too old or too young. You want someone who's experienced, has done a lot of procedures. A doctor's skill set is very important. You don't want somebody who's just a one-trick pony. Okay, you don't want to go to a LASIK chop shop, for example, where everyone is a great candidate for LASIK because that's all they do. You want somebody who knows how to do a lens-based procedures such as Visian ICL, cataract procedures, laser vision correction, etc. So you want somebody who's really well-versed in vision correction procedures.
That is excellent.
One thing
I have another question for you. Now, when it comes to quality of service and making that first call, I mean, what advice would you give around quality of service, or what do you think is most important when choosing this institute or this new LASIK surgeon?
Unfortunately, with the globalization and commodification of everything, we really are losing personal touch and everything. I mean, how many of us have been to a Home Depot or Office Depot surrounded by products and no one to talk to? You really don't want that kind of approach when it comes to taking care of you or your eyes or your vision. So you really, one of the most important things is to find somebody that you can connect with. Personalized service, and you really can get a feel of it just by picking up the phone and dialing, visiting the doctor, going for a consultation, and seeing how you connect. And by the way, it's not just the doctor, it's the facility, it's the people. Nobody can do it all alone. And no matter how ingenious or well-trained or experienced the doctor is, it really needs the support of the staff. So please do pay attention. Is the office clean? Are the people friendly? Do they really want to be there to help you? All those things really matter when it comes to taking care of yourself.
Great. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Now, I would like to know, and I know the person watching this right now would love to know, what type of experience is it like coming over to Benjamin Eye Institute?
Right. Well, we all try better, of course, and there are great doctors in every town, and people really do try to help. So we really develop a relationship from the very first contact with the patient. So as soon as somebody calls the office, the appointment is made, we find a time that's mutually convenient for you to come in. And during this time, we are totally devoted to you. So one thing we pride ourselves on is that we're not just a LASIK or a PRK or a shop, right? So what we do is we look at you as an individual. We see what are your visual demands, what do you want out of your vision, and we do a thorough evaluation. We'll look at your habits, we'll look at your visual demands, and of course we analyze using very sophisticated diagnostic equipment. There's lots of reasons to have vision correction procedures. But there's some reasons not to. So during your initial consultation, we evaluate all the risk benefits and we see what it's like. So usually in the course of that 1 hour visit, we can really advise you on what's the best thing to do. Is it PRK? Is it LASIK? Or is it just no surgery at all, glasses or contacts? So at that time, once we go over all the options, all the logistics, we make the appointment to proceed further, usually one more checkup and then surgery.
Great. Yeah, I like it how you're really focusing on customized, service. It's not just a one-stop shop. Everyone can get this done. You're really focusing on each person that comes to you, each individual, and giving them the best customer service, choosing the proper procedure that's going to help them be able to see just amazing. So I know they have something really special for the person that's watching this video right now. So why don't you tell us about that?
Well, if anyone's in the Los Angeles area, we really welcome you to our office, to come in, to call, to visit our website, benjamini.com. Or the best thing to do is to pick up the phone, call, make an appointment, come in for consultation, and see what your options are. Humans are really very visual animals. 20% of our brain is devoted to visual senses. We really interpret the world visually. So nothing's more important than your vision, and we really urge you to come in and take care of it.
Great. So so how do they find you? Where do they go? I have a little hint. It's right here on my screen. But why don't you tell us, where do they go to schedule this consultation?
That's right. Well, the best way is to either click to benjamini.com or call the phone number that you see on your screen and make an appointment and come in. We're conveniently located in the center of Los Angeles, in West Hollywood, Beverly Hills, and very easy to get to from all the freeways and streets and whatever. Very accessible, and we work 5 days a week and are available for our patients at any time. We also a very important thing to do is to tour the facilities. You should really see a unique LASIK suite that we have in the office that's climate controlled,